Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you if you are unable to access your USB pen drive on VMware. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. So let's start, and first I will show you the problem. I have a VMware, and if I am trying to connect my pen drive, you can see this pen drive is working on my laptop. This is my pen drive. Okay, but on the VMware I am unable to access the pen drive. You can see there is no option of USB. So in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. You have to check two steps. First I will shut down my VMware first. Okay, now unplug your pen drive. Gone. Now first go to Windows Services. So right click on the Windows icon, then click on Run command, then type services.msc. Then press enter to open the Windows Services. Now search for VMware USB service, and you can see VMware USB service. Right click on it, then go to properties, and on the startup type choose automatic, then click on apply, then start the service, click on start. Okay, now click on OK, and now you can see the service is now running in running condition. Now close this window. Now open your VMware software. This is my VMware shortcut. Open it. Okay, now this is the operating system which I am using. Now go to this option, edit VM machine settings. Okay, now on the left side go to USB controller. Okay, now tick this option, show all USB input devices. Tick this option. That's it. Then click on OK. Now run your VMware machine. Now VMware is started and window is loaded completely. Now I will check it again and insert my USB. And here you can see the option, the pop-up window. So these are the two options: connect to the host or connect to the virtual machine. So I will choose this option, connect to a virtual machine, and then click on OK. Click on OK, and that's it. You can see now I am able to use my USB pen drive on my VMware. So this is how you can enable your USB on VMware. First you have to enable the USB service, VMware USB service from Windows Services, and you have to tick the option show all devices on VMware. So thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.